Close my eyes and I feel like I'm not even in my life, and I never wanna leave as I see myself running out of time. Mistake after mistake, it's safer if I distance myself. If there's a way for me to not do what I have done for so long. Don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. Mysterious ways of dealing with a couple of down days. It's like you're stealing what I had for a while and using it yourself. In my mind I see what I wanna see, and if it goes wrong I think I'll never be the same, but I know it's only make-believe. So don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. If you can show me.
Tuh, kenapa Mas? Sini. Satu, dua.
Kamu lihat depan, lihat depan. Lihat depan.
Maunya kalah sama dia.
Aku mau pegang dulu. Masa kalah di mana? Dia tuh ngasih nyombong ya kamu. Oh dia sendirian dengan cewek. Ada apa?
Jadi tadi kita habis lihat Mami Papi, aka anjing. Ada penyu, apalagi merak ya? Ya, merak. Terus ada ular piton juga. Ada burung kakak muda. Kakak tua, iguana, betul. Sekarang kita mau nyebrang lagi. Siap.
Does it come as a surprise? Language of averted eyes. Silence is what I do best. Still I hear it all, wasting time around my head. So I talk to myself instead.